Alright, so here I have replaced or put the diode in that I left out, right? So we're going to see if it works now. Turn everything on here. Got to turn this supply on here separately. Yep, volts and amps look good for everything. So I'll give the tubes here a few seconds to warm up. And so we're going to run the test program, and hopefully it will not get any errors. I don't know, there might be something that's really wrong with it that I didn't intend. So let's see, auto board tests and verbose. So it prints out the steps, each cycle, page, mult, and then ALU. I tell it I have the ALU board plugged in. So, and again, I'll put this in the notes in the description, all this stuff here. So there's the program. I guess the tubes have warmed up, so we'll press return here. Oh, there it is, chugging away. So, well, if I turn this sideways, I can expand it up. So there it is. Again, this blue area here is the paddles supplying data to the tubes, and the red line indicates the output from the tubes. In this case, we have the ALUQ, which is the output from the ALU, and the ALU out bit, and what the link value would be, the new link. Okay, and then at the bottom here, just a line below it, shows the actual ALU computation that it's doing based on the opcode. Like up here is the opcode and things like that, and what state fetch, defer, execute it's actually doing. And then the ALU output is shown here with the ALU input. So it's done 1900 cycles so far without error. So fortunately, that missing diode was the only error. You know, there might be maybe I fried a diode or put a diode in backward, or who knows what. You know, or maybe there's a bad tube or something, and it would show up here as an error, like that one error that we got in the last video. So there it is. It's generally working now. So this board is now certificated as working, right? Certificated, or whatever you want to call it. It's been my experience that if the board tests okay with these paddles, it works when you plug it in. I haven't had a board say, okay, it works with the paddles, but then I plug it into the real thing and it stops working. So that's been my experience so far. I might find out, oh, well, here's a case where that doesn't happen, but hasn't happened yet. So I can be pretty sure that this board is good at this point. So there it is, churning away, and I think that's it for this. Okay, so there's the ALU board, and I'll move on to one of the other boards next and get that going. Probably won't make videos for those others though, because there's not much more. I showed stepping through a problem with this one, and that was the main point of these videos. Anyway, well, there you go, and hope that was educational and entertaining for you.